Hello everybody, we are at Save More, Tacloban City, and we've been here outside for a good 10 minutes. We are waiting for Save More to open and allow, they're open but they're not allowing customers in yet. They only let in the employees, and we're waiting for until 10 o'clock so we can be admitted, and there are a lot of us over here. Okay, let's just pan this very quickly, okay, because there are a lot of you. Only the feet lang, oh, see? And that's
no, that's, I saw their face. Come on. No, they will. We need to blur them.
Yeah, okay. If we see their faces, we will blur them, okay? So look at the feet. The feet lang.
No, please.
Oh, this one is going in. We still have like some 4 minutes. 4 minutes
please,
more.
No.
Let me see.
And it's so rainy. There's a new bagyo.
There's a new bagyo. It's called Verbena.
There's a new storm.
Yeah. After Uwan.
Yeah.
It's Verbena. Oh my gosh, are they opening now? Opening for us now?
It's 9:58.
So we have 2 minutes more.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So rainy. It's very rainy.
I'm so excited.
And
my favorite store here is Miniso.
Miniso.
No, please don't say that.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh no, that's my raincoat. Oh, butang didi.
It's already wet.
It's a paper bag from Daiso, which I used earlier to shield my arm from the rain in the tricycle.
We're in Tacloban right now.
Well, let's pause this first and let's wait for when we...
9:59!
Oh, so 1 minute more. 1 minute more.
Come on, guys. Let's wait.
Come on. Oh, we're all waiting. Oh,
what is that?
That's a...
That dinosaur.
Yeah, it's a dog. It looks like a dog.
Yeah. It's like a lion.
We're gonna be one of the first ones to go in.
9:59.
Okay, get ready. Who will drag the luggage, baby? You drag the luggage.
No. My gosh, guys, it's 10 o'clock.
Ding 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 ding.
It's 10:00. Oh my gosh. So guys, let's go. Oh, I'm so tired. So now we're going to go to Miniso because it's my favorite shop. So let's go.
There's the trash can. Do you know?
No. I can already hear the song.
Just look for trash can because of my radio. I wonder where all these people are going.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, bags!
Wow,
Oh,
bags.
slippers! But I want to buy flip-flops because it's hard to buy listas.
What? Later na lang. Let's go to Miniso first.
I want to store this first.
Here, I know where the trash.
You don't have any this.
I know where the trash is. Here, hold this.
Okay. So let's go.
So guys,
Miniso.
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 Hey guys.
Careful.
Where is Miniso?
Go straight.
Oh yeah, I know.
Here at the sun, we've done it all for you.
Miniso.
You are a Miniso girl. Baby, why are we even vlogging? I'm sure we're not gonna buy because we already bought a lot.
Let's window shop, everyone. Come on.
Window shop. Is window shopping even interesting? Sige, go. I think you're gonna be the very first customer.
We're not even buying.
But I might still buy one of these. Adimandidi.
Yeah.
I'm not because I am still interested. Morning. Yeah.
Whoa. Guys, I also wanted to show you something. No.
Where is it?
So, I already been to Minnesota the other day, and I saw this really cute puppy, and I posted it on TikTok. But I haven't
Enough
shown
of that
you guys
now,
yet. But look, guys.
It's just a waste of time.
Look. You guys might be like, oh, it's just a dog. It's so cute. But look. It can walk. Ah, it's so cute. It's barking. Ah,
Okay. Well, okay.
I'm not gonna buy it, but like,
How much is it?
of course, it's $599.
Ah.
So he's just going to stay with me. Look.
It's gonna fall.
Look, free
Yeah.
massage.
Oh, listen, we have to have lunch early, okay? Like maybe 11 o'clock because we leave at 12 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
He's eating me. Don't eat me.
Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, food. Food. Custard and coconut.
Hi, baby. You're so cute.
Cookies.
And guys, I have to tell you something. I just won. I already did. And
I already told them. Nah,
And if I win, I'm gonna buy this.
you sure? You already have a long list of things you will buy.
Yeah, but I'm going to just look. Oh my gosh.
It's a gingerbread. Is that a gingerbread?
It's a chicken gingerbread.
Chicken, okay.
It's a gingerbread
Hey,
chicken.
you know there
Why did it
is
stop?
a seaweed snack here. Do you want to try a seaweed snack? It's a Korean snack. You know they
Oh, I got it broke.
they snack on seaweed. You know.
Yeah, I
Where
know.
is it now? Oh, it's over there.
It's like
They
the
snack
one
on.
with sushi.
That's very healthy. You know. You snack on seaweed. My gosh. How many can say that in the Philippines? We snack here on chicheria.
Oh my
Like
god!
chips. Very
Yes,
salty
no,
chips.
Like,
Oh, my Stitch. My gosh, that's Stitch.
yeah.
Look, Stitch is $8.99.
What?
But that's almost like Yuna. Remember Yuna?
Yeah.
It's just like 100 more.
Coconut!
Yeah. Oh my gosh, the lips of coconut. I think that he had some. She
Drop
had.
the makeup
Is it a girl? It
routine.
looks like a girl because it.
Drop
think-
the makeup routine.
I think she's a girl because her lips are pink, but she looks like she had an enhancement. Oh my gosh, what
Why?
on
Then
earth?
what's the color of boys' lips?
Boys' lips? Brown, of course.
Mommy!
Maroon. Or black.
Mommy!
Blackish.
No! Mommy! No!
Am I hating on the boys? Of course
Yes,
not.
you are. Hi, Bunny Bunny. Bunny.
Yeah, that's looking like. Who is it again? Your
Buddy.
Yeah, it's
The
looking like Buddy.
ears! They're flower prints!
What?
Let's just gonna sleep first. Gonna sleep. Guys, come here, guys. Come here, guys. Come here.
gosh. Oh my gosh, it's 349.
I really want to buy this though.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna buy everything.
I know, but I want.
Because that doggy is already how much is that doggy on the window? How much is that?
It's 599.
And then how much is this one? 349. And you only have 1,500 minus
Minus
350.
Yeah, because.
So that's 1,150.
Yeah.
You only have 1,150. Makain ka na, Day.
Okay na,
Let's go around. Let's have only 10 minutes here, and then we have
20.
we have to practice
15.
na. You spend most of your time looking for things you will buy, and you don't even spend.
Mommy, don't say.
No, you don't even spend any time practicing, which is the most important. What if?
Let me make.
Wait lang, I have already started your timer, so you just have 10 minutes here, okay? At Miniso.
Okay. I really want this. If I win.
Okay, how much is it?
It's. I can't tell if it's 349 or 99.
That's 349.
Oh,
So you have 349 plus the doggy is like how much?
I don't want to get the dog.
500.
I don't want to get the dog.
Okay.
Baby. I want that one.
Let's hope you win first place, so maybe the LGU can give you some money also, okay?
Yeah.
So I think they give money for first placers in the regional level. So wow, if they give you 5K.
But what about
wow.
Lisa? Is she also?
Yes, also I think also the coach. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Sige na.
Okay, sorry.
Dali. Kaluoy naman lah ito nga kuan. Imang ginunot-kunot.
Okay, anyways, look at that.
Oh my gosh, they are so colorful.
Yeah. Look at this one.
Oh, Docker.
I don't know his name because I'm not a Pokemon girl.
But the most attractive to me is this. Oh, I really love this. Ooh, like liquidy and like crystal
Looks
glass.
so pretty. Oh, guys, look at this.
So kawaii.
Yeah.
Kawa.
Hey, bro. Stop.
Oh, how about this?
Yakult.
Yakult.
I'm thirsty.
So healthily.
So health, mommy, it's not even a word.
Yeah.
Wait, yeah, it is. But
Oh, I love this. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my
How is
gosh,
this
it's so
even-
beautiful.
guys, look.
I want to buy this.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Okay, whatever. Come here, guys. Cinema. But I really want my milk.
There's someone swimming. Look.
But look.
Oh, what's that?
It's
What is this? Can you put something
It's a
inside?
stamp
Is this like a
keychain.
container?
It's a stamp
Oh, it's a stamp.
keychain.
Okay. I thought it's a
Give it to
container.
me.
Oh my gosh, look at these. These are swimming babies.
Guys.
Swimming things.
Guys, I just saw a capybara with a little hoodie and eating a carrot.
You have 2 minutes more.
Look!
Capybara. Ayaw ba magising day?
No, it's like a queen.
Oh, this is so cute. Look. My gosh, what is this?
Guys,
Oh, is this like a pencil holder?
I think. But mommy,
Oh my gosh,
look.
it's like a pen holder.
Guys, it's bear.
It's capybara.
It's a bread capybara.
Oh my gosh,
It's a cappy bread.
capybara. Capybara.
This is not cappy bread. This is capybara in a basket bread.
Okay.
This is the one that's cappy bread.
Oh yeah.
This is the cappy bread.
Oh, I like the container. Oh my gosh, I like even this plastic container. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, these are so cute. Ooh, I love this. I love this. Tish. Oh my gosh. Baby. Isn't this like that one we saw at what's that? The National Bookstore, the container. Look at the container. It's like this, but it was.
Guys, look at this lunch. Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this lunchbox.
Oh my gosh, that's so nice. But you're not using any lunchbox for school.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, so kawaii.
Yeah. Why do we say it like that?
So how do I say it?
Kawaii, just say that. Shin-chan.
Hala, baby, look. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Shin-chan, I saw Shin-chan.
Look, this is so nice. It's a nice pair.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
Hi, Chin-chan.
Oh my gosh, Shin-chan.
Yeah, Chin-chan. Okay.
Shin-chan. I love you, Shin-chan.
Oh, you're almost kuan na.
No.
Oh, let me check. Oh, you have 4 minutes. You have 4 more minutes, bebe. Oh, look at this. But you know, you have something like this before, right?
Yeah,
Where is
just
it?
Ah!
Yeah, where is it now?
I don't like it.
Okay. Huh? What don't you like?
It's yellow and the red. I don't like.
But before you liked it, what on earth?
Yes, because it was my first sleeping mask.
Oh, look at that.
But then it's pretty comfy.
And look at
It's nice.
this.
I like it. Ah, so cute.
It's a Babybara.
No, that's a bear. Come on, mommy. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Pens.
Shh, baby, lower your voice. You're the only one that can be heard here.
It might be like, oh my gosh, it's just a normal pen.
What is that? It's a squishy?
It's a squishy pen.
Okay.
Look.
Why do you like mga squishies so much?
I don't know. They're just so. Is this
No.
so weird?
Oh, these are eyebrow razors.
Look, this is like 99 pesos, but in Mr.
Oh my gosh,
you can
look
buy
at
this
this.
in Mr.
What
DIY
on
for,
earth
like,
is
I don't know,
this?
just cheaper. Razor, I think.
What is this? Like
There
looking
are a lot of
different.
erasers. These are the supposed to go. Shin-chan! Shin-chan! Mommy! Shin-chan!
Wow.
It's a Shin-chan notebook, guys. Do you love
Oh,
Shin-chan?
Chan-chan.
Subscribe if you do. Doggy power. My classmate has this. Doggy power.
Oh, okay.
Exactly this.
Oh, look at this.
What's
I don't
that?
know how to use this. It's a razor. It says Rasoe Manuel.
Putting on makeup. Why is Shin-chan putting on makeup?
Chin-chan, what
Is
are
he
you
gay?
doing? Are you gay, Chin-chan? Oh, is this a container? It's nice. It's
Guys,
nice.
look at this. Mommy, which
my
one
gosh.
do you want
But
here?
the only thing I don't like about this is it's a blind bag. You don't know
No,
which
it's a
one
blind
you're
box.
gonna get.
Or maybe there's a blind bag.
Blind box. You don't know what you're gonna get.
Okay, but I
don't
know,
like
but which
it.
one do you want? Like, which one do
I like
Like you can pick more than one.
I like this clear latte.
And this,
I like
you
that very
you
clear
can pick
one.
a lot if you want.
The princesses, I like the princesses.
All of them or just...
I like the apple.
Mommy, that's poison.
Yeah, but it's very shiny. I like it. I also
Okay.
like the shell.
What's... Oh, yeah.
The shell.
The clam. I think
And
it's a
I like
clam.
the tail of Ariel.
Yeah.
I like clear things,
That's
like
it?
glassy things. Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Only...
I like the eyes of this baby. I like the eyes.
I've always wanted one.
Yeah.
Anyways, is that it? Only,
That's it.
Only Snow White, Ariel,
Yeah.
the clear latte.
Okay, baby, we're almost time na,
wait,
baby.
let me choose this. I love all of them, but I can't. No, I don't want.
The only thing, if I can buy, if I can,
want Mulan.
if it was not a blind box and I can buy one, I'm gonna buy. But because it's a blind box, I
I'm
don't
gonna
like
buy
it.
I know that I don't.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.